In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Update Automatic Links at Open in Word, so your linked content refreshes automatically whenever you open a document. This is a really useful setting if you work with linked charts, tables, files, or other external content and want to make sure everything stays up to date without doing it manually. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer and load any document, or even just open a blank file, because this setting is controlled through Word's Options menu. Once Word is open, look up to the top left corner and click File. This opens the Backstage view, where you can access Word's settings and preferences. From the File menu, scroll down and click Options. This will open the Word Options window, where you can change advanced settings for how Word behaves. In the Word Options window, click Advanced from the left-hand menu. This is where Word stores a lot of the deeper document and display settings, including link and update behavior. Now scroll down through the advanced settings until you find the General section. Depending on your screen size and Word version, you may need to move down a little to locate it, so take your time and look carefully. Once you're in the General section, find the checkbox that says Update Automatic Links at Open. This setting controls whether Word refreshes linked content automatically each time a document opens. Go ahead and check that box to turn it on. After that, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. That's it. From now on, when you open documents that contain automatic links, Word will update them automatically, which can save you time and help prevent outdated information from showing up in your files. If you ever want to turn this off later, just follow the same steps and uncheck the box. This is especially helpful if you regularly use linked Excel data, linked images, or content pulled from other files, and you want the latest version every time. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Word tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.